Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's TearaShanice, and today I'm working with Nadula Hair Company. I have a highlighted headband wig. This wig came with some awesome goodies. I have about 5 headbands. Comes with this cute pouch and also my favorite color, pink hairbrush. So that is everything that came in a box. This is how thick this luscious hair is. It's a highlighted wig. And it is so pretty and silky. Comes with this elastic band. It does have just 2 combs with it, and it is absolutely gorgeous. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's TearaShanice, and thank y'all again for tuning in. If you haven't yet done so, subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up at the end, or you can give it to me now. So I want to tell y'all a little bit about this hair, y'all. Aren't y'all feeling it? So this is none other than Nadula hair. I'm so excited. Y'all know how much I absolutely love Nadula hair. So this is Nadula Hair Company. This is a highlighted headband wig, and y'all absolutely cannot tell I'm getting away with this fully. Like, this is the perfect color for me, period. Let's repeat that, period. So do y'all not see this color? The length, this is everything. This wig is everything. So I'm absolutely in love with this hair. I had paired it up with just a headband. This is a headband that I already had. It's a silk headband. Y'all know them silk headbands that be coming in y'all's boxes. Use it. So this is a silk headband and a highlighted wig. Y'all can see the color is fabulous on me. I'm gonna tell y'all everything about this hair, like every single thing. I've been wearing this hair for a while now. The shipping is super duper fast. But we're gonna get into pros and cons of this hair. So let's keep watching. So again, this is Nadula Hair Company. In the box, I did have, I have the box right here. In the box, I did receive a couple of headbands with this, as well as a little keychain, little clutch bag. Is super cute. As well as a brush. I do want to open up the brush and show y'all that, because the brush is super good. You can use it with any kind of hair texture. It is the perfect paddle brush. Look how cute. Look how cute this brush is. Absolutely cute. So yeah, so let's get into the pros of this hair. The hair is absolutely gorgeous, as you can see. The hair also is very, very silky. Very silky, and it is super soft. It's probably the softest. Honestly, it's actually the softest hair I ever had. This hair is so soft. As y'all, I know y'all was seeing in the beginning, y'all, it was, you know, it's so silky. It was getting all in my face and stuff. That's why I have to keep it back with this headband, because, you know, I can't see, and, you know, I gotta find my way. So it was it's super soft, super silky. I haven't had no absolutely major problems with this hair. Now, the highlights aren't as big as what I expected, but these are perfect highlights. You know, because I actually don't like them big chunky highlights. So I don't actually like the big chunky highlights. These are like perfect highlights to go with every season. Now I feel like the big chunky highlights are like for like summers, but for a fall trying to like transition hair, this is absolutely perfect. This hair has a natural shine to it. Do y'all not see this? Like, it has a natural shine to it, and you don't have to worry about adding any kind of oils to this hair. Now, I didn't add any kind of hair care products to this hair at all. It's actually in the natural state since. When I first received the hair, it's absolutely so silky. It's so perfect. Like, it is like the best. Like, I was kind of sketchy about the headband wig and I highlighted, but this is so pretty. Like, it's so pretty but it's so silky to the point where it's super hard putting it in like a hair tie, because you can just take it out and there it goes. So it's super silky, but I'm pretty sure after you keep wearing it and wearing it and wearing it, like the actual real luster of the hair will, you know, make its way. So another pro of this hair is it takes heat very well. When I straighten the hair, like I do have it now, it's taking heat very well, and it will get back. Now, I haven't actually tried it try curling it. So I will try curling it later on in this video. I'm not gonna do it now because I want to get through with the video. So I'm not going to do it now, but I will do it later on in the video just to see if it will hold up a curl. I am going to just attempt to do it with my flat iron. And I'm only going to do like a one curl because I actually do not really know how to curl with a flat iron. But, you know, I'm going to kind of like, you know, twist and, you know, whatever, and try to get it to curl. So that is, it does take heat. When I straighten it very well, it gets real silky. Another pro, y'all, this hair has so many pros. Another pro of this hair is there's absolutely no flyaways. I have no flyaways. There's nothing sticking out. Everything is like absolutely perfect with this hair. And I know it may be too good to be true, but y'all, this is my honest opinion. Like, it's honest opinion. And another good thing with this hair, like I was trying to show y'all in the beginning, this hair has layers at the bottom. Like, it's not like straight all the way down. It has layers, like not at the very top, but once you get closer to the bottom, you can see the layers. Like, that is best. Like, I love layers in hair. Absolutely love layers. It makes it have like a more natural look to it. Now, another good thing with this hair is I haven't had any tangling so far. Because it is so silky, I doubt that I probably will have any tangling. But so far, I have not yet to have any tangling with this hair. Now, I believe that may be all the pros of this hair so far. Let's get into the cons. So, the first con with this hair is it does shed. It has been shedding a tad bit. Like, I have a strand y'all probably can't see, and this is a pretty big strand. I have like a couple of strands on my desk, so it definitely has been shedding. It doesn't shed like major, but it has had a little bit of shedding. Now, another con of this hair is Even though it is very silky, that can be a con as well. It's very hard kind of styling the hair when it is like super duper silky. Like, you will probably need to put hair products in it. You may want to put hair products in it just a little bit if you were to actually curl it, because it is, like I said, super silky. Now, another con of this head is I don't actually like the way the combs is. There's only 2 combs in this head. There's one at the top and there's one at the bottom. Like, I wish I had more kind of security around the headband wig instead of just at the top and at the bottom, even though it's absolutely not going anywhere. But I would rather have like some on the sides, because just in case I were to do anything with the front, because like I feel like, you know, I need that protection on the side just in case somebody want to snatch my wig off to the side. You know, the combs in the front and the back, they can just swoop. You know, if you got it hooked onto the side, like right here, if they try to snatch it, you know, it'll catch and, you know, you won't have no problems. But that is basically about it. This hair is absolutely beautiful. It's absolutely gorgeous. I will try to curl it just a little bit, not too much, because I love straight hair. I would just try to put a little curl into it. And I also want to stand up and show y'all the length of this hair. I don't know the exact length. This wig feels like it may be, now I'm not really sure. I feel like it may be like 150% density. It's not really thick, like 180. So I believe it may be like 150% density. And see how long it is, but it's actually really long. It looks like it may be, honestly, it may be like a 24, 26 inch. It's really long. So I will get up and show y'all how long this hair is. So this hair does go all the way to my waist. Well, mid waist, not all the way to my actual waist, but it does go all the way down here with no problems. As you can see, it just flows to my side. You can see the layers, boom, 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 going just like that. So this hair is really pretty, and I will turn around and see how long it is in the back. Again, I am 5'6". So this hair on me just to the side, and I'm not stretching it. I'm literally just letting it flow to the side. So that is exactly how long it is to the side. Now, turn around to the back. This hair is all the way down my back, going down to my butt. This hair is very long, and I love that. So yes, I am back again, and y'all see how lovely this hair is, y'all. Perfect for the holidays. Can't you see on me? Can't you see me on Christmas Day? Like, hey, what's up, fam? Yes. So let's get curling this hair to see exactly how it is. Now, if you do wear this, I would probably like wear the headband. Now, you don't actually have to. You see how it look without the headband on it. I prefer the headband because it makes it look so much cuter, and because my roots are not brown and my roots are not blonde, so I want it to look as natural as possible. So with like this, it makes it look like a lace wig. So I am going to take my handy dandy flat iron and curl a little piece on the bang. I don't know exactly what I'm doing, bear with me. And boom, boom. Y'all see this? Y'all know the vibes, like. And y'all look at that, and it's still nice and bouncy or whatever. Like, there you go, y'all. It does curl. That is that is a full curl. A full curl. Y'all, look at that. And it's so perfect. Y'all seen it with your own eyes. Y'all seen it with your own eyes. Now I'm debating if I should curl the rest of my hair, but I'm not, because I like the straight look. But I am going to see if it can go back straight, because y'all know sometimes, like, when you curl your hair, it don't go back as straight as you want it. But y'all, look at that. That is so cute. So I am just going to go back and try to straighten it. And so if you like this hair and you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Stay tuned for my next video. Y'all cop this wig. get it by Christmas. It only takes a week for it to come in. Great communication from Nadula. Absolutely love this hair. This will definitely be my next go-to wig because it's very convenient. Headband wigs are coming back in style. Y'all, it's super convenient, like super duper convenient, especially when you want a quick switch up. You know, you want to be Renee this week and Stephanie the next. Definitely this wig will be it. So I thank y'all again for watching my video. Like I said, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and see y'all in my next video.